One day, you'll reach into your pocket and your phone won't be there. Don't panic. You won't need it. This isn't a line from some sci-fi movie. This is becoming 2026's reality. Today, we're looking at 7 AI glasses that are quietly preparing to take your smartphone's place. A camera, an AI assistant, a translator, an entire computer sitting right in front of your eyes. So get comfortable because this future isn't on a screen anymore. It's sitting on a shelf waiting to be worn. Number 1. Remember HTC? They're back through your eyes this time. VIVE Eagle. Just 49 grams, but hiding inside is an entire travel companion. A 12-megapixel camera that doesn't just take photos, it sees what you see and feeds it straight to the AI. Say, "Hey Vive," and you're talking directly to ChatGPT or Gemini. And here's the big one, real-time translation across 13 languages. From a menu in Tokyo to a street sign in Paris, no language can stop you anymore. Forgot where you parked? Just say it out loud. Vive remembers. Hungry? It'll find you the best restaurant nearby. Open-ear audio, Zeiss sun lenses, and roughly 36 hours of battery life. These glasses don't just translate words, they break down the walls that used to stand between two people for no reason but language. Number 2. Picture this, a coder sitting in a cafe, no laptop in sight, just a pair of glasses on his face. This is Monako Glass. Just 48 grams, but running inside it an entire Linux computer. Brillroot Linux, an ARM processor, and right inside your glasses, AI coding agents like Claude Code and Codex. No keyboard required. The camera reads your hand gestures, a pinch, a flick, and your code starts scrolling. The strangest part? A bone conduction microphone right on the bridge of your nose. Even in a noisy cafe, it hears only your voice. Yes, this is still just a glimpse. The device is in pre-production right now, but for every developer who once dreamed of building software just by speaking, this isn't just a gadget, it's a promise. Number 3. Not every pair of glasses is built for fun. Some are built to save lives. Meet VITURE Helix, the world's first AI safety glasses, built on NVIDIA's XR AI platform. No display, just a crystal-clear lens, a 12-megapixel camera, and 4 microphones listening to everything around you. Factories, labs, hospitals. These glasses run standalone, no phone required. Real-time guidance, real-time warnings. Because sometimes the most important AI isn't the one that entertains you, it's the one that makes sure you get home safe. Number 4. Picture this for a second. A 300-inch screen floating right in front of you, but there's no TV anywhere in the room. This is Rokid AR Spatial, just 75 grams, Sony micro LED displays, a refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Open 3 windows at once, YouTube on one side, messages on another, work right in the middle. PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, they all connect in seconds. And if your eyesight isn't perfect, its built-in vision adjustment means you don't even need prescription lenses. This isn't just a pair of glasses. It's an entire office, an entire cinema that simply travels with you. Wherever you go, your world goes with you. Number 5. Ever notice the most powerful tech is usually the kind you can't even see? Even Reality's G2, just 36 grams, looks exactly like a normal pair of glasses. No camera, on purpose, because this brand believes privacy should be a feature, not an afterthought. Instead, a subtle micro-LED display puts information right in your line of sight. Notifications, navigation, live translation. Paired with a smart ring, control it all with a single touch. And the battery? 2 days. 2 full days on a single charge. This pair of glasses won't make you look any different, but on the inside, you'll already be living in tomorrow. Number 6. What if your personal assistant never had to sleep? INMO G3, the glasses that won an award at CES 2026. Dual micro-LED displays, diffractive waveguide technology, so clean there's not a trace of ghosting. Afraid of running out of battery? Forget about it. Swap the battery in just 5 seconds, with 2 spares always ready in the case. Live translation across 98 languages. Walk into a meeting, it transcribes it for you. Need to give a speech? There's a built-in AI teleprompter. Lost your way? Here Maps puts directions right in front of your eyes. These glasses don't just work for you, they work alongside you, all day long without stopping. Put them on the moment you wake up, and by the time night falls, they've become your shadow, quietly looking out for you with every step. Number 7. And now, the glasses that feel the most like the future. RayNeo X3 Pro, the world's first full-color binocular AI plus AR glasses. Picture a 43-inch floating screen, glowing at 6,000 nits of brightness, sharp enough to see even in direct sunlight. And what's running its brain? Google Gemini always on. Stand in your kitchen, look inside the fridge, and ask, "What should I cook tonight?" Gemini answers right there in real time. Live translation across 14 languages, turn-by-turn navigation right in front of your eyes. Yes, the battery only lasts 30 to 45 minutes right now. This isn't perfect yet. It's a glimpse. But every great future begins with an unfinished, breathtaking glimpse, and this one is hard to look away from. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechFutrix. Stay ahead.